Hello, my name is Vipin Pubby. I am the director of the School of Journalism and New Media. I was the resident editor of Indian Express at Chandigarh for close to 14 years. We provide different kind of courses, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. It's a 3 years undergraduate program. We also offer 2 years of MA, also 1 year of Diploma in Journalism, besides PhD program. Our main focus is to provide practical training. That is our USP. We bring out, for instance, the newsletter. That newsletter replicates a proper newspaper. We produce a weekly Shoolini TV bulletin. We have a radio Shoolini, a campus radio, where we produce RJs. We provide internships with leading media houses like the Times of India, Hindustan Times, Indian Express, Bhaskar, NDTV, CNN 18, and several others.